Okay, quick update. No, kind of late, but not really. I'll just mention that I miss using PVC. Wow, this goes together really fast. It's really easy to work with. You can just handsaw it, so you don't even need to get your power tools out. It went together real easy. So you can see exactly how it's gonna. They're gonna get laid on. This thing is relatively sturdy too. Yeah, it should, and it takes a bit of a beating, so I think that'll go pretty well. Now the thing I'm going to do after this is prototype how I'm going to throw extra connection points on it, on the side over here. And let me just lay these out real quick so everyone can get an idea. Yeah, and they're just going to lay in each one of these corners a little T-junction that will then be adjustable. So I can hook it up to down here, by the way. Oh yeah, let me show you the cut connections. To anyone who wants to do a project like this, these panels are each 46 inches by 18 inches wide, which means you need to do a cut of, for each connection point, you need to do a cut of 21.5 inches by 16.5 inches for a 18 by 46 panel, so 36 by 48. And that should give you what you're going to need initially before you have to do the before you have to throw the extra T-junctions on. My God, this area is a mess. Oh well. Anyway, just wanted to update, update 3.5, I guess. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So, time for by the way, for people who are planning out this project at home, two 10-foot sections of PVC will make just enough to make this panel. So I'm going to need to go back anyway, but I think the hardware store is closed. And go ahead and make another one to get another 10 feet of panel. It should then give me 2.5 inch, 2.5 inch, 2.5 foot pieces that I can then throw on there. And hopefully that'll go pretty well. All right, next episode, figuring out how to mount it. Later.